Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The division bench of the High Court has directed that the state government should issue notification in terms of Rule 10, fixing the date of elections within the next 3 days. This date is to be fixed in consultation with the State Election Commission. The Honorable High Court has also directed that the entire process of elections has to be completed within 45 days from today. This is precisely the order that has been passed by the Honorable High Court.
And what about, sir, notification regarding reservation that has to be done?
See, what happens once the main date is fixed under Rule 10, date of the elections, other processes will follow. It is what will happen is State Election Commission will have to be, the file is already with the government. Whether the file comes back, they agree or they do not agree, the process of consultation is complete, and in such an event, State Election Commission will have to basically issue a notification for reservation on its own.
How many panchayat will have election?
Altogether 185 panchayats which are due for elections right now.